Hey there, beauty lovers. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to get plump, glossy lips without a trip to the dermatologist? Well, let's talk about Too Faced Lip Injection Plumping Lip Gloss, a product that promises to add instant volume to your lips with a glossy finish that's perfect for any occasion. This gloss comes in a 0.14 phthalates tube, which is a fairly standard size for a lip gloss, but with a twist. It's infused with some pretty impressive ingredients like vitamin E and avocado oil, both known for their moisturizing and nourishing properties. These are ideal for keeping lips soft and hydrated, even while you're rocking that plump, fuller look. But does it actually work? I've been testing this out for a little while now, and I have to say, the first thing that stands out is the sensation. When you apply it, you'll feel a slight tingle, which is a key part of how it works. This sensation isn't uncomfortable, but it's definitely noticeable. It's that tingle that triggers the plumping effect. The formula includes a combination of ingredients that cause a temporary swelling, giving your lips that fuller appearance. The texture of this gloss is smooth and non-sticky, which is something I really appreciate. I've tried a lot of plumping glosses, and some of them can be so sticky they're almost unbearable. Not this one. It glides on easily and stays put without feeling too heavy. The glossy finish is gorgeous, but it's not overly shiny, so it's not going to leave you looking like you're covered in goop. As for real-world use, it's definitely something that can fit into your daily routine. Whether you're heading out for a casual lunch or going to an evening event, it adds just the right amount of glamour without feeling too extra. If you're looking for something that's easy to apply on the go and doesn't require constant touch-ups, this gloss is a solid choice. But let's break it down. The pros of this product are its hydrating ingredients like vitamin E and avocado oil, the smooth application, and the noticeable plumping effect that lasts for hours. On the flip side, some people may find the tingling sensation a little intense, especially if you're sensitive to that sort of thing. While the plumping effect is real, it's not a permanent solution, so if you're expecting long-term results, you may be disappointed. Now let's talk value. At its price point, Too Faced Lip Injection Plumping Lip Gloss is certainly on the higher end for a gloss. However, when you compare it to similar products, it holds its own. Many lip plumping glosses out there don't offer the same nourishing ingredients, which makes this one worth considering if you're after both instant plumping and long-term hydration. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and the product itself is easy to apply without any mess, which is something I really appreciate. It feels luxurious, but not overly bulky, making it perfect for slipping into your bag or pocket. Plus, the formula doesn't dry out your lips, which can sometimes happen with glosses that promise plumping effects. So, the longevity is decent, with the gloss remaining comfortable and effective for a few hours. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable option, there are a few good alternatives out there. Some drugstore brands have glosses that offer a similar glossy finish, but they may not provide the same plumping effect. If you're on a budget but still want that fuller lip look, you could try options from brands like NYX or ELF, which have some great glosses for a fraction of the price. Overall, Too Faced Lip Injection Plumping Lip Gloss is a solid pick if you're looking for an instant plumping effect with some nourishing ingredients to boot. The hydration and plumpness are definitely there, and it's easy to apply, which makes it an ideal product to keep in your makeup bag for daily use. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this gloss or have any questions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.